One from Pan, one from Ara.
Si Daddy Ben kaya ang makakakuha ng 10,000. Si Arthur. Si Jana bang makakakuha? Si TN.
Parang hindi naman po ng 10,000 yung yung cheer! Again!
Woo!
Okay, ganito na lang muna, bago natin sabihin yung 10,000 pesos ha. Mag-first side tayo ng cheer, everyone!
Paano
On
yun?
this side, make Senator again for the 2,000 bucks winner!
Woo! Camille, wag mo akong kakalimutan ha.
Mahina, walang mananalo dito.
Si Camille na yan. Camille.
Up on this side, do we hear you guys?
Si Camille na yan.
Make sure you have your ID with you. If you do not have
Busy si Camille. Busy si Bakla.